what I'm trying to do today is check the recoil on this, the Staccato-P. Yeah, it is empty. It's nothing in the chamber, safe direction. Versus my Glock 19. I want to see which one of them shoot flatter. So I am gonna go ahead and load them up, and then I'm gonna put one in the head because I want to get all of them out of it. So safety, it is a safety on that one, just Staccato. And then the Glock. I'm not gonna turn the red dot on just yet. I want to see iron sights. Instead of laying this one down, since it is loaded, I'm just gonna hose through. All right, let's see. Staccato first. I'm only gonna do 2 shots, just so it's not like too far before I shoot the other one. I think that was 3 shots. I think it was one more than what I said, but let's check. I think the Glock take it, to be honest. Same direction, it is empty. I think the Glock take it, man. I don't know if it's because I need to change, like, okay, well, this, I did do some stuff to this, but I don't know if it's the grip of this. It's not as flat as I want it to be. I think when I add more weight on it, I think it'd be better. I think it's because I might be used to this one too. I think, see, look at the grip. The grip is shorter on this too, so it feels better on the recoil. This one is a little longer. It don't it don't feel as secure, I should say, versus the Glock. I did grease it. I know greasing it does help reduce recoil and equipment heat. So let me try. Hold on real quick. Let me try something. Okay. Let's see. I don't know. And the trigger's not bad either though for it to be a Glock. It's a stock Glock trigger. I don't know. I think once to be honest, I think once I do this, once I modify this one, I feel like it's gonna be a little better than what it's feeling right now. I don't know exactly, like I haven't looked at the market yet to see how much money I would have to get to put into it to get it to feel how I want it to, and to like it like I like the Glock. The Staccato is a little I would say a little different on the grip angle. It's not as much off as I would say. I like both of them though, man. I I can't complain. Hold on. While I'm talking, let me finish this mag real quick, and then I'll give y'all a real answer. Hold on. Let's see. I wasn't letting it surprise me. So there we go. I like that, man. I like that. Super smooth. That's a fun gun right there. All right. Let's see. Oh, the iron's not bad. But I am ooh. Is that? Oh yeah, it's too high. I'm aiming too high with my iron. Once I get these irons down, I'm gonna feel better on the Glock, man. I do need work. I'm shooting bronze ammo. Last time I came out here, I had a problem with light primer strikes on my Glock. And I'm not sure if it's because I changed the grain in it. I usually shoot 115, I believe. Yeah, 115. And this is 124. It's still full metal jacket, brass. I don't know, man. I don't know. So I brought the Staccato out today to see if we have any problems out of the bronze ammo with the Staccato or the Glock today. So that's why the Staccato is out today. I'm still breaking it in. I want to say I'm close to 500 rounds through this. Maybe, yeah, close to 500. I'm gonna try to break 500 today on this. The Glock, I want to say, probably the reason I like this, well, I know the reason I like it, is because I'm closer to 10. Not with the setup, not with everything done to it, but the Glock, as far as the body alone, I want to say close to 10. I want to say 8, probably 8,000-ish, 9, close to 9. So, I'm gonna do a couple more shots, different angles in, and see how I like the Staccato, man. What up? So, I've never tried a double tap, so I might do it wrong, might get it wrong. I gotta get used to the guns, but I'm gonna try a double tap between both of them. It's always empty when I first pick it up. I keep it empty. Even if you don't hear me click the safety, you know, it's because the gun's not loaded. Nothing, you know. But I want to try a double tap. So let's see. Let's see if I can stay on target with my first double tap. It's the Staccato. Oh, I hit it. I don't know. I definitely gonna have to practice double taps, but that was funny. Let's see. Okay. Let's try double taps with the Glock. Let's see. Ooh. Dang, hold on. There we go. Oh, there we go. Okay. There we go. Oh, if I had my red dot on, ooh. I'm right there. I could do double taps. I'm not that bad at them. Let me see. Hold on, real quick. Let me turn this dot on real quick. All right, let me see. See how my double taps is with the dot on. I almost ain't even chamber one. Ha, that would have been funny, wouldn't it? All right, let's see. Okay. There it go. There it go. Ooh, that dot changed everything. That's cold. I like that. I was counting. I was on my last one. That's pretty cool, man. I like that. I like that. First time double taps, you know. I like it. Make sure I don't kill my battery real quick. But so okay, with the staccato, I know I am gonna do an optic on it. I don't know exactly what red dot I'm putting on it. I don't know if I'm gonna go Holosun or nothing like that. I do know what light I'm going. It's probably the Valkyrie. What is it? Valkyrie X Turbo, I think. I know it's a Valkyrie Turbo. I know I'm going one of those. I know I'm putting that on a staccato. I don't know what optic yet though. I am gonna suit it to fit my hand better because I do like the gun, so I'm probably gonna put a little bit of money into it, just to make it more me friendly. So I think I don't think it was a bad purchase. I just think I got to get used to it. That's all. Let me try. I never shot it. I never shot it sideways. There we go. I got one more. One more. I'll be counting. I like that. Let's see. Let's see if I can do it upside down. Nope. Dang, that sucked. Let's try one more. I'm gonna do one more. I want to try that. I want to try upside down. I've never shot it upside down before. I'm only gonna put one in there just to be on the safe side. And I'm gonna even flip the safety down for you. I can get it. I can hit it because I can see it. I just never done it before. All right. I guess let's just play around. Let's see if we can get used to this grip. Okay. So that's the loud one is the palm size target. So I'm about to try to hit the palm size. Okay, missed. Missed. Okay, so I was shooting to the right. I think I got it now. Yeah, I got it. All right, we're going to the big one on the left. Shooting to the right. I got that one. All right, let's try the slim one. It's like a super slim one out here. Let's try that one. Ooh, I actually hit it. Okay. That's crazy. Alright, so you know, I do want to do one more side. I don't know. Look at that. 2 empty mags. What is it? One empty staccato mag. I got one full. So anyways, enough of my rambling. I do want to do another angle. It's just a little different than the one I just did. But I do like it. I'm starting to like it, man. I'm starting to like the Staccato a lot more. I think I'm growing into it, or it's growing on me, whichever way you want to say it. But then we're gonna go to the heel because I want to see, since I'm figuring out the sights on the metal, I want to see how I do when I get to the paper sights. So that's what I'm about to do in a minute. Three hits. So slowing down for me is key. That's the little one. That's the headshot. I think that one is like an A-size target. I'm not sure, but I'm definitely liking this Staccato, man. I think like I said, I think I'm gonna go ahead and go forward with this build on this. I'm starting to like it. I do know moving forward, I do have to I know I do have to grease it. I know I'm gonna have to take care of it, you know. 1911s, 2011s, they like to be greased and oiled so they can run, you know, good. But yeah, I think I'm moving forward with it, man.